Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we're going to be making social media rotator using Exceldro's source switcher plugin, which has had some amazing updates to it. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so we're going to go down here. So obviously I'll put the link in the description to the plugin as well. Let me zoom in. There we go. So source switcher plugin, and basically go to your download. Simple. Make sure OBS is closed. It has got the Windows zip installer there. I generally do the installer properly, the guided installer, and it's so much easier. But once you've got that installed and you've restarted OBS, or if you have to restart, even maybe you have to restart your PC. I doubt it, but as long as you've got OBS closed, you're good to go. We're going to go over to OBS. I'm going to show you a couple of little bits of what I've made so far. These are just basic social media sort of templates. Anyway, you'll see what I mean in a second. So, I used this to make them. Even was Canva. I will put a link to description, link to a channel that I would suggest you checking out, because I know she's making some excellent content on Canva, which is Bexness. So I'll link her in the description. Make sure you do check it out. She started a new series on it. Anyway, got me right. I love Canva now. So anyway, enough waffling. I seem to waffle at the moment. Right, so we've just added all these in. We've made them in Canva. You can do PixelX, whatever. You can even make them fully in OBS if you want to. But these are ones I've just made relatively quickly this morning. And we've just added them into a socials channel here, scene, sorry, and I've just renamed them because I didn't save them properly. Anyway, so we're going to go into a new scene, and we're going to right click, and we're going to add, and we're going to find source switcher there. Okay, and we're just going to press OK. We're going to leave it as source switcher. There is a bit that I don't fully like about this one, is the fact you have to type it in, so you have to remember what the source is. I'm going to press TikTok for this one. Excuse me. We're going to add them all in. So we've got YouTube. I made them all lowercase, so it made it easier for me to just add them in when I want, which ones I wanted. Obviously, if you want to add more in, you can. So, by the way, I do stream on Twitch 3 days a week, so make sure to go over. The link will be in the description as well. Make sure you go over and check the stream out. So, the things we want to do, we want to loop it. We want to time the switch as well. So, this will drag this up, because the beauty of 27.2.1 been a new update. Make sure you do get on it, especially if you do stream on Twitch. Is the duration of which these are on, which ones it goes to next. It goes previous, first, last, random. I just go next, purely simply because you want to be rotating through in my case, the 3 that it's got. But at the moment, it's quite a harsh switch between each one. Excuse me. What you could also do is make media state switch as well, so you could put your media in there as well. So if you got one in that scene, you can make animated ones, so if they pop on, anyway. But yeah, if you've made animated ones, you can add them into the list, and jobs are good. The next bit we're going to do is got the transition. So now in it, since a recent update on it, you can do different types of transitions between the media switcher. So I quite like the swipe, if I remember rightly, and we can edit the time it takes for that swipe to happen. So we're going to do 1500, and we're going to press OK, and it's going to be as simple as that, and it should, in theory. What have I pressed? Have I pressed something? Have I pressed something? Put all these on. So press OK. Oh, I know what I've done. There we go. And we're going to press OK. There we go. So now these all swipe. The one bit I did make with these, because I made them very quickly. Obviously, you wouldn't want them fully on your screen, so we're just going to do it there. crop them slightly. And now they do rotate. See, I'm going to leave that bit in because you can make that mistake by playing around with stuff. Obviously, then with this one, you then just put that scene into another scene, and you can resize it. So, for example, I don't know, we'll sling it into there. Just a random scene that I've been, because this is my testing account, this testing OBS. So, where are we? We can put in scene 2. It's called. Put it in there. We can then resize that so there, and then it just keeps rotating around. So it's a nice, simple social media rotator for you. So yeah, once you've added that into your scene, all good. Happy days, and you've got a nice, easy social media rotator into your stream. By the way, if you want me to show you how I'd made this one, the one I've got down below here, where if I get my hand right, let me know. Let me know in the comments. As for the rest of the video, check out these ones. Hopefully, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.